Hi guys, welcome back to another video. It's me, your girl Briana Marie, and today's video is something on the basic side. So this is not a cut crease, it's just like something really colorful, but still like soft with the makeup in the eyes. Soft with the makeup in the lips. This month has been really draining. I was gonna do vlogmas, but I didn't really do much. Like, all I do is sit in the house. Yeah, I'm trying to get back in the groove of things, y'all. It's just like a lot. And then I gotta get another mic because I don't like putting my records, like linking it up with the video. I just like putting it in the DSLR and having my sound linked, and it's already there. My great grandma's in the hospital, so yeah, it's crazy. It's like really crazy. That being said, you have to stay tuned to hear the winners at the end. So if you want to see how cheap this look, then keep on watching. Alright guys, so we're back with another one, and it's going really fast. So what I use for my brows is Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade in Ebony, and also I went ahead and went in with my MAC pencil in Strut, and then my brows and concealer with LA Girl Pro Concealer. So what I'm doing is putting Plouise Base on my eyes. I put a little bit of Roman number 3, but mainly Roman number 5, and then I also went in with a little bit of Roman number 2 just on the base, so that I know that these colors will pop. Anyways, I'm just taking my Zoeva brush and just buffing everything out. Alright, guys, we're playing with some new stuff today. So Plouise, I bought some stuff from Plouise. This is what it said, even though I'm on their PR list. They sent this to me because I paid for it. Anyways, I got the big box of the palette, the stuff, the eyelashes, the glitter, everything that came in there. I got the black base, I got the basics bright, and also the basics winter edition collection. So yes, I was very happy for this Christmas, the things that I got, but you know, Christmas was okay, it wasn't all that as far as family wise. Anyways, what I'm doing is packing that purple shade on the lid. I don't know the names yet, so I will list the link to the palette in the description below, and I'm just basically packing that on my lids in a C shape. So you want to pack that in a C shape no matter what eyes you have. You might have stunted eyes, but you just want to pack that in a C shape. And I'm taking my 167 brush and just packing that on as so, all the way until you get to the inner tear duct area. And y'all, I highly recommend this palette. This palette is pigmented as fuck, honey. Okay, when I say as fuck, I mean as fuck. So I'm taking an orange shade and I'm taking my MAC 221 brush, and I'm just basically going inside the purple shade, but letting the tip of that brush do the work as far as blending that orange out. Alright, so the last shade that I'm going to go in with is yellow, and I'm basically just going to put that on my brow bone, but I just want to pick up a little bit so that it can be like a wash of yellow, not so bright, because I don't know, I just like it that way. Anyways, you will see it's not as blended yet, but don't worry. What you're going to do is go back with each color and start to blend so that everything can look seamless. Alright, so now that you have your blend game strong, what you want to do is go in with your lid colors, but make sure you pat that lid out first. I was trying to tell my cousin that when I was teaching her the one-on-one. Make sure you pat that base out first before you go in with any shadow. You don't want any creases. You don't want to set any creases. Make sure you do that. So I'm taking my 167 brush from Morphe again, and I'm taking that yellow and I'm just packing these colors on the lid. This is a non-cut crease look, so I'm not doing a cut crease. I don't know, these looks make me look more feminine, more so than draggish, so I'm gonna do a lot of these looks more often, y'all. Let me know if y'all like these looks. I definitely will be throwing them out at you. They are super easy too and really quick. Then a cut crease, it takes me just an hour alone to do the cut shit. But anyways, y'all, I'm just packing it on the lid and just being messy with this shit. That's it. And then I'm gonna take my orange out of the palette and I'm just basically merging it into the yellow, basically like an ombre effect. So you could have left the lid area just like that with these colors on it, but I don't know, I'm just always being extra as fuck and I just want to add some glitter. But anyways, I want to also take a purple. It's a purple shade in that palette. You're gonna see it. I don't know if I showed it or not, but if not, it's a purple shade and I just packed it on the outer part where you see the left Plouise Base at. That is so pretty. I love this look, like plain by itself, like y'all, so pretty. That's all you have to do. Like, makeup is just makeup, y'all. And I just went back and forth with these colors and blended it in to till it look seamless. Sorry, I'm just talking so much. And I'm taking this brush to basically fade that purple shade into the orange. So now I'm taking my Wet n Wild wing liner and I'm just basically giving myself a dramatic as hell wing liner. That's all I did. Boom, it looks so bomb. So I'm taking these two colors from Sugar Baby Glitter Supply and I'm just basically putting this neon yellow and then a neon orange on. I didn't add no purple because I want the purple to stand alone. But yes, so pretty. But just make sure you put the glitter on correctly. I think I put it on correctly, but yeah, girl, it was cute. It was cute still. Anyways, yeah, so make sure you do that. And then we're gonna head on over to face. I already put my lashes on. So these are the lashes from my collection. Well, I know I already put the lashes. So this is my lash from my collection. The collection will be coming out in March or February. Because February, I have to get my BBL. So I'm so excited about that, y'all. It's coming up. It's coming up. So be sure to check either at the beginning of March, end of March. Beginning or end of March. Because I can't say the beginning because the 28th is when I'll be back of February. So yes, check the beginning of March because I do have to go take photo shoots and stuff like that. Oh, hey TJ. Hey TJ. So yeah, I have to take photos and everything. My mama has to take them too because she is coming out with a hairline as well when I come out with the lash line. So just be ready. 2019, amazing stuff is coming. So I primed my face with Photo Finish primer from Smashbox, and then I went ahead and also primed it with some backup. Now what I'm doing is I'm taking my Urban Decay All Nighter favorite foundation at the moment, and I'm taking Fawn and a little bit of medium beige as to highlight with, to conceal with. Get it right. And then I'm doing like basically the tailor-made method, how she do her concealer. And then she uses brush as well. I mean, I like the brush, but y'all know I love my beauty blender, so I have to go back in with my beauty blender to kind of blend and smooth everything out. Y'all, so bomb. And to bring some of that structure back into my face, what I'm going to do is contour with Earth from Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is the foundation stick. And I'm taking this brush also to contour the nose with. It's kind of too big. I should have got the smaller one. I wasn't thinking. I was just grabbing stuff. So yeah, my face definitely did come out so super flawless. The eyeshadow came out flawless. It was just like the glitter that, you know, I didn't really care for. But hey, it is what it is. I went ahead and set it my face. Set it. Sorry, wrong terms. I went ahead and set my face with Sacha Buttercup setting powders underneath and all the highlighted areas. And then what I'm doing is to merge everything together and make my face feel good again, okay? Because all that powder, you know, you just want to spray some stuff so you can make it feel good again. So I went ahead and added some highlighter. We're not gonna say, we don't care. And then I also went in with Morphe's Brountour palette. It's called Showmance, and I bronzed my face, bringing that structure in some more. Baby, this face was snatched, honey. Ooh. Yes, honey. And I went ahead and added some blush from MAC. It's called Nior. And then I went ahead and also added some gel liner number 77 in my lower lash line. And then to smudge out the lower lash line, I did take that purple that I first applied, and I took that and smoked out the lower lash line. Then I went in with the the purple, and then I went in with the orange. So yeah, that was it, and I didn't add any mascara on my lower lash line. So I wanted to be smoked out, y'all. So I will also, after my BBL, I was going to do it before, but after my BBL, I am going to get some lip injections, y'all. Y'all probably like this bitch is fake, but hey, to each song. Anyways, I'm gonna give me some lip injections. So I'm using Chestnut from MAC, y'all, and I'm just basically lining my lips with this. And then I went ahead and took Supernatural from Dose Color. Ooh, baby, you looking BL, okay? So I don't have to overline my lips. That's what I be doing, overlining my lips. So y'all, as y'all can see, I don't know, just it's so pretty, especially when you put the gloss on top. So yes, I'm gonna get some. And then also what I put, this gloss is like, oh my god, this is about to be my new fave. This gloss was everything. Like, y'all see this? This is a P. Louise gloss that came in the box, the bigger box with the palette and the lashes and the pigments. But yes, I loved it. So I hope that y'all enjoyed this crazy tutorial. My talk over, and I'll see you on the outro. So you have finally made it to the end of the video. All the names to enter in the comment section below for the Klaiyi hair giveaway, and it's right here. So I know that's what you have been waiting on. So I am going to start the raffle in just a second. Good luck to everybody who entered. Right, so our lucky winner is Tamiko Smith. Yes, girl, my screen, I'm sorry, my screen cracked. I gotta go get it fixed, but her name is Tamiko Smith, y'all. I'm gonna say hey ladies. Oh no, she didn't win. Hey lady, so I'm about to pick another winner. So the next winner is Beat Room Beauty, girl. I will be sending your box of hair. She said, Klaiyi, enter me and say I live for bobs and blunt cuts, girl. So definitely you're gonna be making you a bob and blunt cut, girl. So excuse my screen, it's so cracked. Me over your email me your address and everything like that so that I can send this box to you. Personally, from me, I will gift wrap it for you. Dolls, don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and I'll see you dolls on the next tutorial.